A data science roadmap typically outlines the steps or path one might take to become proficient in data science or to advance within the field. While specific roadmaps may vary depending on individual goals and interests, here's a general outline. A data scientist is a professional who analyzes and interprets complex data to inform business decisions, solve problems, and uncover insights. They utilize a combination of statistical analysis, machine learning, programming, and domain expertise to extract meaningful patterns and trends from large datasets. Probability theory is the mathematical framework that allows us to analyze chance events in a logically sound manner. The probability of an event is a number indicating how likely that event will occur. This number is always between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates impossibility and 1 indicates certainty. In probability theory and statistics, a probability distribution is the mathematical function that gives the probabilities of occurrence of different possible outcomes for an experiment. It is a mathematical description of a random phenomenon in terms of its sample space and the probabilities of event subsets of the sample space. Probability distributions are either continuous probability distributions or discrete probability distributions, depending on whether they define probabilities for continuous or discrete variables. In probability theory, the expected value, also called expectation, expectancy, expectation operator, mathematical expectation, mean, expectation value, or first moment is a generalization of the weighted average. In probability theory, the law of large numbers LLN is a mathematical theorem that states that the average of the results obtained from a large number of independent and identical random samples converges to the true value, if it exists. Estimation theory is a branch of statistics that deals with estimating the values of parameters based on measured empirical data that has a random component. A statistical hypothesis test is a method of statistical inference used to decide whether the data sufficiently support a particular hypothesis. A statistical hypothesis test typically involves a calculation of a test statistic. A confidence interval CI is an interval which is expected to typically contain the parameter being estimated. Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. Matplotlib makes easy things easy and hard things possible. Eaglite is a high-level grammar of interactive graphics. It provides a concise, declarative JSON syntax to create an expressive range of visualizations for data analysis and presentation. Dash apps give a point-and-click interface to models written in Python, vastly expanding the notion of what's possible in a traditional dashboard. Accelerate decision-making and eliminate repetitive tasks with Tableau Pulse and Einstein Copilot for Tableau. Intelligent analytics at scale.